Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is another reading. I have a bad throat, that's why I haven't been recording for 4 days. Normally, I do not give such a big gap, but yes, my throat has been. I've been straining my throat quite a bit, so it's not really good. So I was left with water signs and fire signs for the month of September, and I had to do a reading. So this is for you guys. I've got everything ready. I've got the cards out. I'm using different cards for you guys. I wanted to use these cards. Let's see what is your first message. I'm not going to take much time to talk right now because I want to go to the point and give you all the messages, and I cannot talk much anyway. Let's see what's your spirit animal guide and what your spirit animal guide wants you to know. So this is for September for water signs, which are Scorpio, Pisces, and Cancer. So let's see what are the messages for you guys. So your spirit guide animal is a raven, and the raven is saying that I am tapped into the spiritual laws and apply them to my life. It's also somebody who relates easily to others and align with their vibrations. So you understand people well, you align with their vibrations, you know what they're thinking, you know what they're feeling. You automatically align yourself, you know, whatever vibration they are in. I don't want to say align with the low vibration, but yes, you know which vibration they are operating in, and automatically you become comfortable with them and they become comfortable with you, which is really fantastic. And it says languages and accents are interesting to me and I learn from them. You could also be someone who speaks more than three languages, or you've learned more languages than normally, you know, if it's two three. So probably you speak more than three languages is what I get. And I also feel that yes, you love accents, and you probably have a different accent, and you really love mingling with people. And I don't know why, because September is a time for me, I think, where you're going to meet a lot of people. You're going to deal with them. It's either emotionally relationship, or probably there's going to be a contract. A lot of people dealing, you know, meeting and dealing, you know, the deals are going to happen between people. So there's going to be a lot of to and fro of the projects of the file, but you will get a lot of projects. Also get like meeting a lot of people coming from outside giving you something. So it's good news for you guys. This for water signs. There'll be a lot of projects that you'll be handling, and you'll be getting a lot of projects. I'm just going to keep it there. And it also says that I hear and understand messages from the spirit. So you understand messages from the spirit. I also feel very in tune, you know, with what's happening around you, with the universe. And it says you create your. It says I create my own reality. So you know what's right and what's wrong for you. You know what's real and you know what's an illusion. And you always try to stay within, the place that's real, or you know, you don't get. I also get the channel message that you don't get carried away by dreams. And I think in September a lot of things will turn into reality. Whatever dreams you had will be turned into reality. You will also not get carried away by big words or promises. You know the ground reality, and you're very grounded, so you understand what's happening in life. So September, I also feel that you are going to create your own reality. You are going to make your own choices, and you know what's right for you. So that's what I get. Let's see what the energy cards have to say for you. What is for Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces? What are your messages? I'm sorry if I'm not so loud, but yes, I cannot strain my voice much. I don't want to do a short reading, but let's see. So September is also time to relax, rejuvenation. August was a month where you did all your hard work, but I think in September it's time to sit back and enjoy. It's also getting satisfaction from what you've done in August. You know, if it was projects, or you know the relationship, probably you mended a relationship, or things went really right your way. So this is just enjoying and more settled in September. September, though doesn't, I don't want to say it's a relaxed month when it comes to working. It's something that relaxes you. Probably your financial situation is going to relax you in the month of September, or it could be some kind of a stability. It also could be some some kind of emotional stability. I also want to say probably in August was a month where you were or doing your running around all the time. But right now September, you more settle, you more in one place. There is less movement of going to and fro. I feel moving between places. That's what I got in August. But September, you're going to rest a bit. You will get time for yourself. So that's also good news, water signs. September is a situation, like I said, you'll be dealing with a lot of people, but there won't be any hostilities. There, things will go smoothly. That's the word that I get. So things will be much smoother for you. Deals will be much smoother. Relationships will be much smoother. There'll be a lot of understanding between you and the other person. Even in the deals that you make, even any court cases you have, any property you want to buy, if your health is you, it was you were concerned about your health in August, things are going to be fine. That's what I get. It's going to be a very relaxed. That's what I'm saying. It's going to be a very relaxed time. You will not want to fight with someone or pick up like a little pick up little fights. If anybody is trying to pick up a fight with you, you'll be in a very relaxed mood. I also feel from this September to next year September, it's going to be a brilliant time for all the water signs. And I'm getting Scorpio more, and for all the it is for all the water signs. Though I'm getting a more of a Scorpio, but I think you're going to have a very good time. You're going to be very creative. It's almost like the sun shining on you, being creative, and there's a lot of water, so you will be. I want to say you'll be immersed in your work. You will have so much work. Your work will bring you joy, and suddenly you're seeing a lot of work coming towards you, a lot of projects coming to you, and something is going to make you really happy. This situation is going to make you very happy, and it's going to last for an year. So I'm going to bring it a little closer. I don't know if you can see it, but yes, because there will be light and it's going to shine. It's like really being joyful in it. The sun shining on you. So 1 year from now, this September to next September, things will really go smoothly for you. If things weren't really smooth for you, or all this while, things are going to be better for you. Just spend your money carefully is what I get. Whatever you get, don't just spend it like that. I want you to spend your money carefully is the message that I get. Though this is a very different card, but like I told you, I just say what I feel is right at that moment and what needs to be told. Also be careful about having a tiff with a earth sign. Like I said, you will not pick up, but this is no tiff. But just be careful. An earth sign might throw you out of balance. So water signs, just be careful when you're dealing with a earth sign is what I get. This is a very different reading I'm doing. So remember that I don't want you to be out of balance in anything. So I'm just going to keep these cards back. I can keep it here, only this one. I can let it be there. Let's see what are the other cards. What is your situation? What are the cards saying for September? For September. Let me see if any other news. I didn't want to pick that up. It's like it didn't belong, though I did take it up. It's come again, so I have to take it up. Please be careful about family and relationships. Though I really feel for most of you, family and everything is going to be very stable. But because this is come reversed, and it came twice. First, I thought it didn't belong in the reading because I thought you will have more of a relaxed month. It is being away from your family. There are two situations that I get. You probably away from your family, you're missing your family. I also feel some of you, because this is a general reading, it's not for all of you. All messages might not be for you. So remember, for one or two of you, I can see a bit of a problem if you're in a joint family. This is not for people who are in a nuclear family, but I see someone wanting to break away from a joint family and wanting a house of their own. I don't know why I get this, but yes, I get that wanting to be away, not wanting to be with a bigger family, wanting your own house. Also, be careful of any deception or delays, okay, in September, especially on the 18th. 18th September might get you delays, but I think, I don't know why, but I want to say they are not going to happen for a very long time. It's just momentary delay. It will pass. I don't know why, but yes, I want to say that it will pass. Moon will get you a lot of emotions. Your emotions will be affected, especially on the 18th August. So just be careful, okay? Don't be too emotional, and don't make many decisions when you're emotional is what I always say. Don't make any decision, in fact. You'll feel like a king, like throughout September is what I get. You'll be happy with what you started. You'll be happy with things around you, because this is the King of Cups, and this is water sign, and this is somebody, like I said, somebody who's you are very gentle, and you're very emotional. You're also shy. I also want you to express yourselves, because a lot of times you do go in a shell. So in September, remember, this is how you're going to feel. You're really going to come out with your true self, is what I get, with someone, or the way you were, probably you took a back seat for some time, but you're going to be back in action, is what I get. somebody who's got a good hold on his job or the designation or a business or is the king of the family. You're going to feel like that. It's like you've become the king of the family. So this is September, okay? 9 is September. So just be a little wise in whatever you say. I just said it. Don't make any decisions when you're emotional. I want you to be wise. Think beyond your years if you can, beyond your experience. I don't know why am I saying this. Maybe it will happen that this is more of a wise decision that you need to make. I get around the 20th. I also get around the 8th of September. It's 8th September and 20th September is what I get. It's also searching for something, searching for something. uh, it's though it says soul searching, but I feel searching for a bigger answer. I don't know why I want to say a bigger answer, but I say searching for a bigger answer. October dip in finances, just remember that, okay? In October, because it says 10, I want to take this as an October card. So remember, October might be a dip in finances. Maybe that's why it wanted to say that be wise with your money. Okay, I want to say that. So be wise in your money, because I don't want October, to have the money situation not being too stable. So be careful with money. Maybe that's why the card fell out, and I had to include it in my reading. This card came again, so I'm going to put it here. Sorry, that was King of Cups. This is King of Pentacles. It is actually owning a land. It is actually a water sign is going to own a land. You're going to feel like a king. You're going to buy a house with some kind of a property. I don't know why I get this again and again, but I get with the property you're going to get money in. This is some kind of deal going your way, earning money from land is what I get. So the water sign is going to get money from the land, somewhere from the land. It's about a deal going good. It's earning money from that piece of land is what I get. Or probably even if you give your house on rent, probably you're going to get good income out of it. Let's see what are the romance angels saying. I don't want to take any card reversed. I don't know why. It's like almost stepping back in a situation, disconnecting from someone. So there'll be a time when you want to disconnect and just probably not feeling up to it. A lot of emotions. I don't know why, but I feel a lot of emotions in your mind right now. So there is. It's. I think it's disconnecting in the beginning of the month of September, and it's then becoming very serious in the relationship. Those are the two things I get. Sorry for the flash of the light from there, but I think that it's like disconnecting from someone, but being back with the person with more seriousness is what I get. This There was a separation card, but it doesn't belong here because I really don't think there's a separation with anybody. See, you need to express your love. Already what I said, because you guys, water sign guys, girls, you need to express what you feel. It's very important, okay? And September especially is a month where you need to tell the other person what how you feel about them. One more card. I think one more card belongs in this reading. Some of you are not going to think about kids, having kids right now. This is not really on your mind, is what I get. I don't know why I didn't keep the card. Finances and career is not going to be on your mind when it comes to romance situation. That's going to not going to come in between your romance or any finances that were holding you back from getting engaged or getting married to someone will not happen anymore. So that's fine. I don't know why, but I feel I have to give few more messages from probably the crystal cards. These are the same cards where one side you have spirit animals and the other side I'm going to show you, you have the crystals. Sorry, the crystals. Let's see which crystal I get. I feel there's a message that's been left and sorry, I'm just going to adjust it a bit so you guys can see it better. I want to take out a crystal card. This almost came out. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm going to say that it says, do you believe you are lucky? So maybe September is lucky for you. It's going to be great for you. And are you taking the time to use your imagination and release your wishes to be fulfilled? So a lot of your wishes are going to be fulfilled. Keep imagining, keep visualizing, visualize your goals. I told you guys in the beginning only, I said the card came out that things are going to turn into reality for you guys, for all the water signs. Something is going to be a reality, something that you've been wishing for, what you've been dreaming for. It's going to really take shape and take form. It says, believe that any and all challenges dissipate with great ease. So if you really believe in yourself, you will not feel that challenges are really challenges. You probably they will become very tiny. They look very tiny if you know what to do with them. If you have the right belief or confidence in yourself, so it's like even the challenges will dissipate. Imagine your life as it was already filled with abundance, good health, happiness, and inner peace. So exactly what the card came out here, the raven, and the other cards which says meditation. It is almost like, there is health, happiness, and whatever you think or whatever you visualize in your life, you'll get. So probably your visualization power is very good. You are going to visualize a lot of things, and there will be abundance of good health and happiness. And like I said, there'll be inner peace, because we did get the meditation card in the beginning. So that's what I feel. So guys, I'm going to put this reading here only. Do subscribe to my channel, do hit the like button, and do leave a comment. I always read the comments and always reply. And I have to upload the fire sign next. I'll be doing it tomorrow. I don't want to strain my throat a lot. So thank you so much guys for waiting and listening to my reading. Bye.